This is number 16, the quiz for the last several exercises. So number 16, it reviews all the fingers that we've already used. Fourth finger on the D, third finger on the D, first finger on the D, and open D. And we walk right back up. It's asking you to put those symbols where they belong. So the first thing that happens in music is your clef. The second thing that happens is the time signature. And the last symbol that they put there, the light line and then the dark black line, that's the end of a song. So that goes at the end of number 16. All right, here we go. Fourth finger, all four fingers pressing down on the string. Your thumb is on the side of the fingerboard, not under. 1, 2, 3, go. Rest. Rest.